And the next status elements that was majorly used is either error, warning, info, and the success. So this and all the status, basically the way you are displaying your error message or where you're displaying your success message. Okay, so let's say if at all you are displaying some messages, then what I will do here is that, so basically those are also our status elements, nothing but error. Okay, let's start with info. Info basically displays any text in the primary color. Okay, so let's see the info, st dot, and this is basically my subheader. Let me create the subheader, and the subheader is my st.info. Now let's write this st.info, and this is basically displays information in the primary format, that is blue color. Okay, this is information message. Okay, and let me also see the success. Let's say subheader, create some success. So this is success, st.success. Okay, so for that it is st.info, and this is success. Okay, next one, also the one of the status message is warning. So st dot, for that you can use this st dot warning. Okay, this is my subheader, and it is st dot warning. We have to use st dot warning to create this. Okay, this is success. suc, yeah. And this is warning. For warning we have to use the warning, and this is warning. And finally we might also have the error. Error will basically display in the red color. Okay, subheaders, and st dot error, for that display the error, st dot error, and this is error. All right, so finally let's say if you're done displaying all the messages, the status element that basically displays some kind of a celebration balloons or something like this is called balloons. Okay, so let me do one thing. Once we display all these things, let me wait for a few seconds, st.time.sleep, and let's set it for 2 seconds, and now set the balloons. So balloons will basically, you can able to get the balloons at the end. Now let's save it. Let's go back to application and rerun the application. Let's see that. So this is what something is processing, and this is the info, success, warning, and finally you'll get balloons. Cool, right? So let's do it again. I'm just refreshing my page. This is what happening, and displaying all the information, and finally you get the balloons. So this balloons is basically if you are executing this, and we are getting this balloons. So this is what the status elements in Streamlit. In the next lesson we will talk more on this. Until then, happy learning.